order also. So I can very clearly say that I don't have trust in Indian judiciary anymore.
वहाँ लोग पहुँच रही है, मुझे नहीं पता कि उनको किया जाएगा। क्या लगता है पुलिस आपको बैठने देगी सर जी?
नो सर, केवल बयाना मैम है, मुमताज़ पटेल है कांग्रेस की और as this protest is continuous from last 2 days, ma'am, and we have seen you are showing the solidarity with the victims, ma'am. Please say something.
I just want to say one thing, that this is not the injustice only with Unnao victim. It is injustice to all the daughters of the country, including Ankita Bhandari. You can see how the the gory details are coming out, how powerful people are abusing our daughters. So we want to raise our voice for all the daughters of the country. Whatever happened to Unnao girl is definitely not digestible, but we want, because she never got justice, who will get justice in this country? All the daughters are unsafe, so we want to tell the parliament, however it's not working right now, but we want to just go and register our presence there, that please raise women issues very seriously. They are not serious about anything.
Ma'am, because this case is also a political case, ma'am. That MLA is related with the BJP, ma'am. And do you think that those people are protecting them?
Absolutely, you can very evidently see. I don't have to say anything. You read the judgment, you see all the cases, you see all the powerful people, you see every connection. Ankita Bhandari case, BJP person is involved. This case, BJP person is definitely, he was not trial, but he was convicted. So आप सोच सकते हैं कि how these criminals are shielded by the government, current government, and rather than protecting the daughters of the country, they are protecting the criminals. Very unfortunate.
Ma'am, because the bail is given by the High Court, ma'am, and judiciary is the independent body.
So I understand judiciary is independent body. I wish it was true. However, this has not been the fate of any other rape accused. You will see only this case why the rapist has got bail, or why Asaram only gets bail, because powerful people can manipulate judiciary. I again don't have to say anything. It is very evident in their order also. So I can very clearly say that I don't have trust in Indian judiciary anymore.
वहाँ लोग पहुँच रही है, मुझे नहीं पता कि उनको किया जाएगा। क्या लगता है पुलिस आपको बैठने देगी सर जी?
नो सर, केवल बयाना मैम है, मुमताज़ पटेल है कांग्रेस की और बवाना मैम। हाँ सर, इनकी मिल रही है, लाइव मिल रही है आपको मैम की? ओके, एक सेकंड ओके मैम। We are seeing, ma'am, you all are doing the solidarity protest for in this case, ma'am. Please tell something.
We are here on behalf of not just the Unnao victim, but on behalf of all the women of this country. We are asking the government to provide protection. We are asking the government to give justice to the victim. And today, when a government that talks about Beti Bachao, if they're not being able to do anything much for a heinous crime like the one that was committed with the Unnao victim, and lets powerful people get away because with their support, then there is a problem with our country. We are standing here near the parliament in New Delhi, which is called the rape capital of the city. It is a rape capital of the world. It is very, very embarrassing when the world thinks that India is not a safe country for women. If we cannot protect our own daughters, then we have no right to be in the government.
Ma'am, after Nirbhaya case, the heinous Nirbhaya case, ma'am, the government had made some certain guidelines, ma'am, and we have seen over the time that those guidelines are not followed. So,
Absolutely. Today, the government talks about putting animals in government-owned shelters, but you cannot put rapists in jail. You cannot protect the women. I would urge each and every woman, not only the women, but even men, to join our protest, to feel the pain, to see how unprotected their daughters, their mothers and their sisters are in this country, and come together to ask to fight for the rights of women. Thank you.
ABP गंगा, खबर आपकी, जुबान आपकी।